That 3M gun it's a great gun. It sprays unbelievable.
It's hard to get a system that all really works well together, and I feel that the 3M just nails it. My name is Dustin Ziska, and I'm the head painter here.
My name's Russ Kramblich. I'm a painter. I've worked here for 34 years.
My name is Nate Johnson, and I'm a painter here. I've been a painter here for 15 years now. I was skeptical at first. Plastic gun, high production shop, how well is it going to hold up? I want it to blow up. I want it to not work. And this is one gun that I haven't had that hit me with.
The transfer efficiency of the gun is right in line with all the top manufacturers. I haven't noticed any type of difference in that regard whatsoever.
You know it's going to spray the same every time. It's going to do the things that you're asking it to do. Breaks up the color real nice, lays down the clear real well.
I like how big the pattern is on the 3M gun, and the metallic control by far is superior than some of the other guns that are on the market.
It does have incredible atomization. The droplet size is just right in my opinion.
I've done high metallics, solid colors, clear coat, primer, sealer, waterborne sealer, solvent sealer. There's not one product that I haven't had through this gun.
The ease of cleaning hasn't been easier. It's as simple as it gets. You take the tip off and you're done. And the buildup on the gun is very minimal. That just saves a lot of time and a lot of troubleshooting.
If you have a cleaner gun, it's going to have cleaner jobs and there'll be less buffing and, you know, just a better overall job product.
About half the amount of cleaning solution, whether it be water, acetone, lacquer thinner, in about half the time. I think that I could save over an hour a day using the gun. There's a lot of times where I won't even leave the paint booth, where I'll just wipe the needle and bring in new nozzles. So it makes me more productive throughout the day.
The weight is the biggest factor that you notice right off the bat. You look at your past spray guns and what's currently on the market, and you know they're all made out of metal or a material or an alloy. So you just get kind of biased, you know, using that over the years. And then you pick the 3M gun up and it is so lightweight.
It works for every car that I have sprayed with. There's nothing that it won't do.
I've painted more cars or sprayed more material through that gun than I have by far through any of my other guns. It just really does everything great.
I think it's the wave of the future, no doubt about that. I mean, it's priceless. If you're not going to try it, you're definitely missing out. Best gun I ever sprayed.